Sanbonan and welcome. My name is Mr. Ijandire. I'll be taking you for Augmented Engineering Physics 1A this year. And next year, I'll also be taking you for Augmented Engineering Physics 1B. So in this presentation, I'm going to take you through what Augmented Engineering Physics 1A is all about. Right, so Augmented Engineering Physics 1A is one of the 6 modules that you registered for this year. So it is a year-long module, which means that it is offered over 2 semesters, and you receive your final mark in the 2nd semester. Right, so all our learning will be online, which means that the learning material will be available online for you to engage with at your convenience. But we have set aside a day for each module where there will be a real-time interaction. And for physics, this will be on Monday. So what we will do on this Monday is we will probably on some days have Zoom meetings. We will also have real-time chat sessions using the facilities that are available in Moodle. We will also have, I'll set up a WhatsApp group where we can communicate with each other and help each other. Then on Wednesdays, you will be required to go to the labs. I'll send you a schedule of when you'll be required to do experiments. You'll be divided into the groups, and the groups will go to the lab on different Wednesdays. So I'll make that schedule available and onto the physics Moodle page. Right, so Augmented Engineering Physics is an introductory physics course which introduces you to the principles of physics that are important for your other engineering modules. So in this course, we will focus mainly on mechanics and build on the concepts that we have already covered in Matric. And the major topics that we are going to look at include these 5 topics on the screen. These are Newton's laws of motion, which explain why things move, conservation laws like your conservation of momentum and conservation of energy, and then applications of Newton's laws to complex systems like your rotational motion, your fluid mechanics. And we'll also look at periodic motion or motion that repeats, and also look at the wave model. And then lastly, we are going to look at thermodynamics part 1. So this is just the introduction to thermodynamics. The other part of thermodynamics, you will do it in engineering physics 1B. So these are the major topics that we are going to focus on. Right, so at the end of the year, you will receive a final mark which tells you whether you have passed or failed the module. And this final mark will be based on assessments that are carried out throughout the course of the year. And these assessments are of 2 types, one which is called formative and another one which is called summative. The formative assessments are available online for a longer period, and in some of them you are able to check your answers and try again. So these basically help you learn the physics, and also your lab reports are part of the formative assessments. And then the other type of assessment is summative assessment, which is written under exam conditions. So these are timed tests, and we hope to write 3 tests each semester, which are timed. Okay, and then the final mark consists of 40% formative assessment and 60% summative assessment. and you are deemed to have passed the module if this mark is greater than or equal to 50%. If it is between 40 and 49%, then you will need to write supplementary tests to make your mark at least equal to 50%. If you get less than 40%, then it is a fail. So it is also a fail if you write a SAP and then fail to get 50%. And so what this means is you've got to repeat the mainstream equivalent of the module in 2022. So make sure you work hard and so that you avoid delaying your graduation by repeating the modules. Right, so if you've got additional funding or your funder requires you to buy a textbook, you can buy an undergraduate introduction to physics textbook, which is calculus based, to help you with this course. Popular textbooks are University Physics by Young and Friedman, and I'm sure you can get second-hand copies from senior students at the university. Another book which is also equally useful is Fundamentals of Physics by Halliday and Resnick. You can use this in addition to the notes that will be posted on the physics page of the University Learn platform, which you can get, which you can access from this website here. For your labs, the handbooks will be printed and you'll be given physical copies, and I'll make arrangements for you to collect them. Okay, so in short, this is all you will expect for your physics, Augmented Engineering Physics 1A this year, and best wishes, and once again, welcome, and I'm looking forward to meeting you.